5 free AI websites you didn't know about. Think you know all the AI websites out there? Think again. Today, I'm revealing 5 free AI websites that are so powerful, it almost feels illegal to use them. Stay tuned, number 5 will blow your mind. First up, Gamma.app. Turn your boring slides or notes into stunning, professional presentations instantly. Just type your ideas, and Gamma designs it for you. Next, Leonardo.ai. Create realistic AI art, 3D characters, or concept designs just by typing a few words. Perfect for artists, gamers, and creators. Third, OpusClip. Upload any long video, and it automatically turns it into short clips with captions, emojis, and perfect timing. Viral ready in seconds. Number 4, Po.com. Access multiple AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, and GPT-4 in one place. Your personal AI team, ready to help 24/7. And finally, Runway ML. Edit videos, remove backgrounds, or create moving images from text prompts. It's like having Hollywood-level AI, for free. These 5 AI websites will save you hours, boost creativity, and take your projects to the next level. Which one are you trying first? Comment below, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more iTech drops.